Hi everyone, it's Tammy. Welcome to my channel, and today I have some doll dressing to try out with you. Specifically, I want to look at clothing that comes with these Creatable World dolls. I've purchased two of these. This is the second one that I've purchased. The other one, I took his head off and used the body to create a boy Blythe doll. I will try to remember to link the video in the iCard up above at some point. You can click on that if you want to check him out. But I thought these dolls were really cute, very well priced. I got a good price on them at least, and so I went ahead. I bought them off Amazon, by the way. So I went ahead and purchased a second one so that I had another boy body doll just in case I find a head that I like out there at some point and get another boy Blythe doll. And I also really like their clothing and shoes. So I thought today I would try to see if the shoes fit different types of Blythe dolls. I have a customized Blythe doll here. Her name is Sorry, and she is on a Licca body. Then I have a stock doll here. This is Pineapple Princess, and she's on a traditional Blythe body. And then I have this fakey doll here who I haven't named. She's very cute though. And she's on jointed bodies that a lot of the fakey dolls come on. So I thought it would be interesting to test out the various shoes and clothing to see how they fit on the girl bodies. Okay, so let's start. I'll go ahead and take this guy's shoes off. These are really cute Converse looking type shoes. All right, come on, just take it off. There you go. Alrighty, come on. There we go. So we got his shoes, and let's try shoes first. I'll set him aside. I put all of the shoes that I got and the little accessories. Obviously the hats are not going to fit those girls, but they came with some cute little accessories, little bags. These are perfect sized for this type of doll. But all the other shoes, except for one other pair of tennis shoes that my boy doll is wearing right now, are in here. I've got boots. Oh, obviously the glasses aren't going to fit those girls either. But I have some boots and these cute little shoes. So let's see what happens. All right, so let's start with these wedgies here, these wedge shoes. I actually, when I opened up the first doll box of Creatable World that I got, I put these on her, and it was a tight fit. And let me tell you, getting them off, wow, very difficult. So I would not recommend these. I wouldn't put them on her again. I would be worried about breaking her foot. So these to me are a no-go. I'll just tell you right now, I don't even want to put them on her again. I ended up, the way I got them off is I took a very thin crochet hook, and I kind of went through here and pried them off of her foot. So, but let's go ahead and check out these shoes here with Pineapple Princess, who obviously needs to have her outfit changed. I will be doing some more dolly dress up videos in the near future. Okay, these just fit right. These fit fine. They're right. They slipped right on her. They look super cute. Very easy to get on. I don't know how well she would stand in them, but she might stand pretty well because they're pretty chunky. They're flat. They're a bit loose, but they're not falling off. So that's good. So these work for stock. And let us check out Sorry's feet. The Licca body dolls tend to have larger feet. They're not quite as thin as the stock ones. So let's see how these goes. Ooh, kind of tight. Oh, it's getting on there. Nope, they work well. These actually probably fit better on her. They're not falling off. Can I take them off easily? Yep. Yep, a little work, but they come pretty much right off. All right, so those are a yes. Yay! Okay, so let's check out these tennis shoes. These are super adorable, even have little treads. Licca body. Yep, fit right on, fit well, don't come off. All right, let's try stock body. A little loose. If I had, she needs some socks. If I put socks on, in fact, see how difficult it is to put socks back on her. I tend to put socks on the dolls a lot of times anyway, or tights, so that they don't get their feet stained. And is there a right and a left to these? I don't think there is. Yes. So yeah, much better with socks. It works very well for her. All right, now let's check out the Fakey doll body. Yep, fits very well. Comes off very easily. All right, so the tennis shoes are great for everybody. That's good to know. And then we have these combat boot looking things. So let's see on the stock body. Again, a little loose, not bad. Probably better with some socks. Yes, good fit. I don't know about aesthetically, I don't know about my girly dolls wearing combat boots, but you never know. We could probably make them cute. All right, see Licca. Yep, pops right on. Comes off, not bad. All right, Fakey with the big feet. Oops, stop messing around here, girl. Yep. Pops right on. Pops right off. All right, so those boots, these are a yes for everybody. And then, let's see, we have some girly shoes here. These are like little ballerina flats. Let's try, I think they probably work on the Licca, no problem here. Yeah, they're a little, they seem big. Woo! All right, let me try a different one here. Yeah, they're big. They fit on her okay. They're not coming off, but her feet don't fit to the back. So I would bet they're going to be big on her. Let us see. Oh yeah, they're really big. Really, really big. Holy cow. In a pinch. And then let's see what the fake girls. Yeah, the fake girl a little bit better. Actually quite a bit better. They're not coming off or anything. Again, a little big in the back, but not too bad. All right, and I think I've got one other pair. Yes, I have another pair of boots. Let's see how these work with her. Yep, popped right on. Works really well. Again, a little loose, but not bad. Yes, much better with the sock. And then the Fakey girl. Let's try your other foot here. Stop wiggling around to see. Oh, pops right on. Doesn't come off. Get it off okay. A little bit tight. Got to be careful. I want to rip her foot off. I'm assuming you could probably pull this off and put it back on, but I'd rather not do that. Anytime you do that kind of thing, even when you take off their hands, if you do it over and over again, you are stressing the plastic that they're made out of. All right, so the verdict is tennis shoes and the boots tend to work for everybody. The more female trend type of style of shoes do not necessarily fit for everybody. The ballet flats were a little big on everybody, but fit the Fakey the best. And the chunky high heels, they actually worked really well on the stock and the Licca doll, but definitely not for the Fakey doll. So I'm going to do another video where I'm going to look at the Creatable World clothing. I was going to do it in this one, but I think it's getting a little bit long. So yeah, so I'll go do another one with just the clothing, and we'll take a look and see which of the bodies the clothing seems to work with best. As usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you guys for stopping by. Tell me what you think about Creatable World dolls and Blythe dolls in the comments below. Have a wonderful dollar